So I am very excited for this video because we are going to be talking about hair. I have been in the process of growing out my hair. I want to grow out my hair very long and hopefully dye it back to a lighter color. Since my hair has gone through so many chemicals, since I've dyed my hair so many times, I am waiting for my hair to kind of grow out. And in the process, my hair is a little bit damaged. So I needed to find like a treatment for my hair that will help renew my hair, make it look healthy, because I still want to be able to apply heat on my hair or do different styles with my hair. One of my favorite styles have actually been this updo that I have right now, which is literally just a ponytail with two of my hairs in front. So I've been really just having my hair down straight or doing updos, but making sure my hair is still straight, so these little two pieces are straight in the front. In order for that to happen, I have been using this hair kit. I love it when I find products that I actually love, because I would love to share it with you guys. Just like our makeup and skincare is important, it is also important to take care of our hair. So this hair kit that I've been using is from Nutree. And these 3 products are 3 bottles that come in the Amazon list kit. So each one of the bottles are in charge of a unique step in the hair routine, and they're important to use together. So the first thing that I wanted to talk to you about is, I guess you can say, the main product. This is the protein smoothing brush. So this is step 1 to this hair kit. So with this, what I've been doing is I've been using this on my hair, placing it on clean, dry, unstyled hair, and leaving it on for 40 minutes. And after you leave this for 40 minutes on your hair, you are going to rinse it out, but just leave a little bit, enough for some product to be there so you're able to actually straighten up your hair. Then you're going to blow dry your hair and divide it into 4 different parts. You're going to go ahead and use a flat iron, and you're going to straighten your hair from the roots to the middle of the strand 8 to 10 times. And then you're going to move to the bottom of the hair, so the middle to the bottom 4 to 6 times. Because my hair, as I said, is damaged, I just make sure that I keep my flat iron at the temperature 350. You could definitely go up to 400, but if your hair is damaged, I wouldn't put the temperature all the way high up to 400. And then you want to make sure that you keep up with this, so this can actually last a few months. So this is where the shampoo and the conditioner come in. So this is the shampoo and this is the conditioner. I do keep the shampoo and conditioner a little bit longer than I usually do with the rest of my hair products, just because I really want it to be able to stick on your hair and be absorbed to get like the best results possible. So I actually did try these products when my hair was chemically damaged, so my hair was dyed, and I will insert a picture right here. I love to try out hair products for a long time to just make sure that it works and it's something that I can actually share with you guys. So that picture right there is me with blue hair, and my hair was very much damaged, but with the use of this to help replenish my hair, I was actually able to keep it looking smooth, straight, and not damaged. And if you're the type of person that is constantly curling or straightening up your hair and you feel like your hair strands are literally weak, then you can definitely use this, and you can take before and after pictures so you'll be able to tell the difference in your hair. So I do have a code for you guys to use. The code is LOVENutree. I will leave it right here for you guys to use, and this code is going to be giving you 15% off for this hair kit. Also, they do have an Instagram page. They have at NutreeUSA. This is another Instagram account for you guys to check out. Remember guys, take care of your hair and make sure it looks just as beautiful as your makeup and your outfit. I will leave the discount code down below in case you guys miss it, or in case you guys forget. I'll leave it down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and get your Nutree hair kit. Start the new year off with amazing hair. And with that being said, I will see you guys in my next video.